How to enable or disable TikTok restricted mode. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your TikTok application. Icon from your bottom right corner. Now from your top right, go to the menu bar. Now go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and then in this content and display section, go to content preferences. Go to restricted mode and then if you want to turn it on, simply tap on the turn on button. Choose a reason why you want to turn on restricted mode and then simply submit it. Now, your restricted mode will be turned on. If you want to turn off restricted mode, the process is just the same. You will get and turn off button there and you will be able to disable restricted mode on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.